Hello, this is Justin with Honors WP. Today I'm going to show you a little feature with our messaging plugin for LearnDash and Lifter LMS that allows you to change the color scheme of the chat window when you use it on any course or when you embed the shortcode on any WordPress page or post. So for this video, we're going to look at a LearnDash site and how you can change the color scheme of the chat window on LearnDash courses and WordPress pages and posts as well. So to get started with that, we're going to go to our dashboard where we have WordPress installed and LearnDash installed, as well as our messaging plugin for LearnDash and Lifter LMS. As you can see here, we are down to our chat settings, and the color options are going to be right here at the bottom. So right now we have this set to default. So let's just see what the default setting looks like on this first course right here. Click on the chat tab. As you can see here, pretty basic. The colors are basic. Now this works, but we want to make it look a little more close to, say, our brand colors. So let's go back to our dashboard, back to LearnDash, and down to the chat settings. So let's switch this to dark mode. So you'll notice here where it says select dark mode if you would like white text on the chat box. So if you choose dark mode, the text indicating what LearnDash course you're on or LearnDash group you're in, that text will still remain white. So the choices we have are the highlight color and the background color. The highlight color is used for the submit message and notifications, which I will show you in just a minute. So as you can see here, these two colors are set to our Honors WP brand colors. So we have this orange and this blue is our background. So we'll click on Save Changes. Now let's see what that looks like. So on our LearnDash course right here, you can see the background is the blue color that we wanted, and then the send message indicator right here is orange. So let's see a WordPress page that we have embedded the short code on. So this obviously shows all the LearnDash courses that we were enrolled in, groups that we're enrolled in, and then right here at the top, any unread messages we have. So as you can see here, the same color is applied, that blue that we changed it to, and then any unread messages are in that orange color that we changed it to right here. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's go back to our settings again. Now this time, let's change the color mode to light mode. Now, as you can see here, the highlight color has not changed. So this will still remain that orange color that we picked earlier, but the message color is now a little bit different. See, we selected this like tealish color, and this is the color of the user message bubble. So it's a little different, but we'll click Save Changes and see what that looks like. Let's go to Courses, go to the same course. We'll navigate to the Chat tab. As you can see here, it looks a little bit different. So the highlight color is the same, but now also the text color of the course under messages and groups that you're enrolled in is now that same orange color. But now when we type a message, this is just a response to a message right here. So when you type a message, it now shows as that tealish color that we picked earlier. So let's also go to the community chat page that we embedded our short code on. As you can see here, the background is like the light color that was on the default mode. The highlight color has remained the same. If you click on a course, it will now show the same orange color that we picked here. As you can see here, that outgoing message bubble that we just sent is also that tealish color that we picked in our settings. Then we'll go back to our settings one more time. We'll just put it back to default. And as you can see, it now has reverted back to the default settings. That come with the plugin when it is installed. So, pretty simple to do, pretty easy. It's very useful if you're just looking to like match the brand colors to your communication method, whether that be like your school colors, business colors, or whatever colors you may choose. You can pick any color that you'd like. It's very useful. It kind of makes the message window like pop out a little bit more. It can be very useful to help better market and better brand your courses. So in the next video, I will be showing you the same thing, but how to do this on a Lifter LMS course. So stay tuned. Thank you.